Brad Williams, XL Prime. I'm going to show you match, VLOOKUP, and index match. Pretty much a repeat of what we've been doing. Here we have golfer and golf score. Very simple. We're going to have high score, low score. What are we trying to do? We're trying to match golfer. That's one. We're also trying to match golf score to the golfer. And you're going to see there's no duplicates. All we're going to do is use match. Why? Because I want to show you the row. And you remember what's the function of match? Search for a value in a list and return its position. So what are we doing? We're searching for, here it is, match, F4, golfer, -1. So let's go through this. Match, F4, Irene. Where? Golfer 318. What is the name range? Golfer 318, B5 to B15. 0 is equal to exact match. 1 is equal to exact or next largest. Now this could be 0. There's no reason why this is -1. In this particular case, there's no duplicates. So it could be any of the choices, but if it's a number, you need to be specific, okay? If we need to go in here and look at this lookup value, remember F4, lookup value, F4. Golfer, the lookup array, it's going to be B. The match type, 0. Go down here, you can read this. What's it asking? So searches for a value. What it really means is what row is Irene? Well, Irene's right here. Relative row, not B5, but 1. Let's look at Irene again, but here we want her score. Well, we can use index match. Do you remember index match? Well, let me just give you a reminder. 1, we know it's row 1. Match, without me going back over and explaining match, it's going to say, I found Irene in row 1. So now we're telling index, what column are we looking for and where? Who are we looking for? Index, if we go back to index, it's going to look for an array, C5 to C15. We're telling it, we're not explicitly saying row 2. We are just pointing to C5 to C15. We can't put in just a row. This doesn't work with index. The XLOOKUP, you can use, I think you can use the column, but we're looking at the array and then the row number. All we're saying is, what is in C2 in row 1? That's it. Don't make this any more complicated than it is. Using match, what row is Irene in? I want to know the golf score, so you need to tell index, using row 1, show me the score. And then you can go down here. It's the same thing. Over here, VLOOKUP. We just did a VLOOKUP. What are we going to do? We're going to look for Irene, where? B5 to C12, where in column 2. And what do we want? We want an exact match. Hit F9. And that's a quick review of match, VLOOKUP, index match. Read the write-up if necessary. Tear these apart if you want. Brad Williams, XL Prime.